ABCmouse.
Hello, I'm Violet. Are you ready? Let's draw. Today, I'm visiting my friend's house. Can you guess who lives here? We're about to find out. It's Pink.
Welcome, Violet. This is my living room. Do you like it?
It looks like all the furniture is missing. Pink must have accidentally erased it all. He is an eraser after all. Pink, look around. I don't see a couch. I don't see a table.
Oh no! My living room! What do I do?
I know what to do. I can help. Let's draw. Tell me what to do.
Wow! Thanks, Violet. A couch! A couch is in the living room.
Got it. Couch. The couch is in the living room.
A table. A table is next to the couch. Here.
Ta-da! The table is next to the couch.
And there is a TV. It goes here.
Is that all?
Oh, my cat! My cat sleeps under the couch.
The cat is under the couch. It is so cute.
Wow, Violet! My living room is so great! Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Pink.
Now let's sit and watch TV.
Pink, wait!
Oh, oops.
Don't worry, Pink. I'm happy to help you again. You're my friend. Want to help out our friend Pink? Then let's draw another couch together. Grab a pencil and some paper. Draw what I draw. Draw the legs. Then draw the couch cushions. Now add some pillows. Now add color. I like green and yellow. Wow, it looks so soft. You did a great job. Drawing together is amazing.